Hey friends, if you wish to use the DirectX Diagnostic Tool for Windows for troubleshooting, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Simply search for DxDiag in the Windows search bar. It's also a run command, and simply click on this. Click on yes and let it open the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Now it has 5 pages or more depending upon the number of devices you have. Like whenever you open a page, it would mention no problems found or some problem found at the bottom. So this is how you can use it for diagnosis. And the first page, when you open it, it will search for the driver signatures here. Okay, and then you will keep clicking on next page to check through it and finally exit it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.